In the first step, we will ensure that the image inserted in the Microsoft Word is high quality. For this, we will check some settings, options, advanced, and now we'll scroll down to the image settings. Image size and quality. So we will select high fidelity image instead of low resolution, and we will select the option do not compress the image in the file, and we will also select the option to discard the editing data. This will reduce the file size while using the high resolution images in the file. So we will select these options and select OK. Now we will insert images into the file by selecting insert pictures, and we will select a picture. So this is how we can use the quality images in the Microsoft Word. In step 2, we will see how we can insert high resolution image from the PDF file. I have a PDF file here, and in this PDF file sometimes the clipping the whole image is not possible, so you can reduce its resolution to your view and then clip the image as per requirement or any part of the PDF file. And now after the image is clipped, you can increase the resolution, and now the selected graphic will be copied at this resolution that you have selected after the zooming in the image. Now we will paste this image by simple paste option, and we will see that its quality is not at 500%. The image is still high resolution because we have selected options, and we have also selected a zoomed in image at the high resolution. Now we will insert captions for these images. For this, we will go to the references and insert caption. Insert caption, we can see there is already a figure 1 typed here, and we can put a semicolon, but the label can be changed by selecting any. You can, as per your formatting requirement, you can use fig dot, you can use figure or whatever. We can also define a new label if we require, but we will use these options at the advanced level. And similarly the format of the numbering can be changed. So we are at the basic level, so we'll just put the caption here, and we can type image 1 for report. You can see that this is a default font size, and the type of the font is selected here, but we can check and update it in the styles. So when we click the styles here, we can see there's a caption style is selected. So now let's update this. We select 12 times New Roman, and we remove its italic part and also change its font to black. So now we can update the caption, and next time in the figure 2, now let's enter the caption for this figure. Now we see that the formatting automatically applied here. So the figure 2, so this is how we apply the automatic captions. And once we have defined the format, and then we just need to simply insert the captions, and the captions using this insert caption option will generate automatic list of figures. But instead of doing this, let's I make a copy of this figure and put it here and insert a manual caption like this. We will see that this caption figure 3 will not appear in the automatic list of figures. Now let's enter the list of figures. So let me put a heading here first and make it as a heading. And now we will put a list of figures here. Again, go to the references and insert table of figures. Now we select from the template and we select a caption that we use in the last options of automatic captions of the figures. That was the figure. We have other options, but if we choose other options, the table will not generate. We have to use the same option that we use to generate the captions. So we have used figures, so we will do this and press OK. Automatic figures list appears here, and which you see that the figure 3 is not here because it was entered manually. This is how we can use this list of figures. Now let's go to the figure 3 again, and now instead of doing this manually, I will insert it using the caption. So I can now go back to the list of figures and I will write. Okay, now we update this list of figures. Just right click, update the field, entire table, and we see that figure 3 appears here. This is how we enter the automatic list of figures and update it accordingly. Similar to the figures, we can also insert tables in the Microsoft Word and use the same functions in the references to generate its captions. So first let's enter a table. Suppose this is the table, and for table we know that the caption is on the top of the table, and for the figure the caption is at the bottom of the figure. So in the references we go to the insert caption. Now we have to select that it is either a figure. You see that the figure 4 appears automatically because the last figure was 3, but now we have to use the table here. So table number 1, and we put the caption here. And similarly, if we insert another table here, suppose this is another table, and now we insert a caption for this table. Instead of automatic captions, I inserted a manual caption. We will see that this table 2 will not appear in the automatic table of tables or list of tables. To insert list of tables, we will follow the same pattern as we have followed in the list of figures. In references, insert table of we will click insert table of figures for both list of tables and list of figures. And now after clicking this, because we have already generated the list of figures, so it's already appearing here a table by default, but still you can select any one of these as per your requirement. So we select the table from here and click OK, and the table 1 automatically generated here. The table 2 do not appear because we have entered that manually. Now let's once again for the table 2 we will make it automatic appearance in table of list of tables. So we will delete this, and now we'll go back and we'll update the list of tables, and it appears here.